Hana. So from the last video, we discovered some magic. Sure. So I showed you how to construct an amortization schedule. In this video, I am going to show you a different schedule, which is the sinking fund schedule. Let's proceed. So what is a sinking fund? A sinking fund is a strategic way to save money for a specific purchase by setting aside a little bit each period. It could be monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Okay, so that is sinking fund. You can see from the picture, a fund sinking. So this is an example of a sinking fund schedule. You have the period, the initial amount, the interest, quarterly payment, or periodic payment, I think. Then we have the final amount. So let's have an example for you to have a better understanding of how to construct a sinking fund schedule. You have a sample problem. A sinking fund of 78,000 pesos is to be accumulated in 3 years, and payments are made quarterly into an account which pays 5% compounded quarterly. Construct a sinking fund schedule. So again, first we are going to do is to open the Microsoft Excel. Open that. Here we have it. So as you can see, the labels in sinking fund schedule and amortization schedule is different. Okay, because amortization schedule or amortization and sinking fund is different. Okay, so in amortization, you're going to reduce money or reduce amounts of money. And in sinking fund, you are going to do the opposite of reducing. So you are going to add, reduce. So first, again, what we're going to do is to get the given from the problem. So you can see there is no present value in the given because you are going to save and you don't have an amount present with you. Okay, so the present value there is 0. Next, the future value which you will be accumulating. Now, that is 78,000 pesos. So type 78,000 pesos. Then the period is 4 years. Because it was given there, it's 4 years. Then multiply to frequency of conversion, which is 4. So 4 times 4. Our rate is 0.05, 5% or 0.05 divided by the frequency of conversion for quarterly 0.0125. So the payment type equals then PMT, open parenthesis, then click the rate, this rate, comma, period, comma, the present value, we have 0, comma, then put again a negative sign for you to avoid having a negative value of payment. Then click future value, comma, then 0, close parenthesis, then enter. So that is the payment quarterly. So in the period, we're going to put 1, right click, and you drag down, click fill series, and then because your period is 16, right? So you're gonna drag that to, gonna drag that down until it became 60. So there, 60. I am whispering, sorry. So the initial amount, our initial amount is the present value. So as I said again, we don't have present value, we don't have initial amount. So the initial amount is 0 because you don't have initial amount, you haven't paid anything yet. So the initial amount is 0. And out of that initial amount 0, you won't have any interest because initial amount multiplied by the rate is equals to 0. Okay, so the rest is also 0 in the first column. Then in the payment, type equals, then click the payment, enter. The final amount, type equals, then type sum, open parenthesis, then drag this 3. That 3, okay. Then close parenthesis, enter. So we have that there. So we are going to have the magic again. So the initial amount, what you're gonna put there is type equals, click the final amount first, final amount, then enter. In interest, type equals, then click the initial amount, multiply it by the rate, and then you're going to use the power of $sign here. Okay, so put a $sign here at the beginning of this one at the rate, not this in here, not this beginning, okay, not here but here, okay. Then at the center, then enter. So you have that interest, sign payment, type equals, then click payment. So in here we are going to use again the power of a $sign. So put a $sign here and also here, then enter. And then our final amount is type equals, then type sum, open parenthesis, drag this 3, close parenthesis, enter. And then again drag all this, drag it down. So there you have it. That's the sinking fund schedule, and as you can see here at the end, you have the same amount of future value. I hope you learned something again. Thank you to the power of the $sign. So if you like this video, click like, and if not,